I want to share with you another guarantee that I think attorneys should be making to every injured consumer who comes into their office. You want to know what this guarantee is? Come join me for a moment as I share with you some remarkable information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial lawyer practicing law here in the state of New York. So now you know that an attorney can never make a promise or a guarantee about a particular result or a particular outcome. Well, if we can't do that, what type of guarantee am I talking about? There are actually many different types of guarantees that we as attorneys can offer to you, the injured consumer, who's looking for the right attorney for them. So what am I talking about? Well, I'm talking about a guarantee that says, I guarantee that when you call my office, you're going to speak to a receptionist who is smiling inside. And you might be thinking, wait a second, what's he talking about? What guarantee are you talking about, smiling inside? When you call different law firms, you're going to get receptionists who have different talents and different abilities and different training. And some of them you can tell right away that they're having a bad day. Others you can tell are very robotic. Still others are going to be nice and pleasant, and it sounds as if they're smiling, and they're smiling inside. And the moment a receptionist, somebody you're speaking to from the very first beginning moment, is smiling, all of a sudden they feel happier and you feel more comfortable. Why? It's just a natural response when you're talking to somebody who's happy. Now, not everybody is happy, not everybody's going to give you that type of response, but imagine how it's going to make you feel, a consumer who's trying to find the right law firm, when you speak to somebody for the very first time who you know immediately is smiling inside. And I want to share a secret with you. Some of the best law firms train their receptionists to actually smile before they pick up the phone to answer. And why do they do that? They do that because when you are smiling on the inside and on the outside, it is impossible to feel like a downer. It's impossible to feel bad or to sound robotic or upset. When you're smiling inside and out, guess what happens? You sound so different. You sound upbeat. You sound great. Like you're having a wonderful day, and you want to do everything possible to make you, the caller, happy and feel good about what you're doing. That's what you need to look for. That's a guarantee that I can promise. Why don't other attorneys make the same promise? The answer is, I don't know. Some of them will think that, hey, this is kind of hokey. This isn't professional. We can't make a guarantee like that. And you know what I say? Nonsense. Of course you can. You can guarantee that the receptionist has been trained properly. And so now when somebody calls, you can tell that they're happy, that they're smiling, and you know what? They're doing it for one reason only, to make you, the caller, the injured victim, feel special and to feel good. And that's the whole goal. When you call the office, that's how you should be made to feel. And that's a guarantee that we strive for, and I think every attorney in New York should strive for it as well. You know, I recognize you've got questions or concerns about your own particular matter. Well, if you're contemplating bringing a lawsuit and your matter happened here in the state of New York and you've got questions, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. You know, this is something I do every single day, and I'd love to chat with you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, G-E-R-R-Y, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.